So in this Bet365 tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to place an NFL Offensive Rookie of the Year futures bet here on the Bet365 application. So once you have Bet365 opened up on your device, I want you to go into the NFL tab. So for me, it's actually located on the top left-hand side, right below where it says promos, press on NFL. Then at this top here where it says lines, we have all the game lines for today. If you want to slide this bar all the way to the right until you come across a tab that says futures, press on futures. Then as you can tell, for right now it says to win outright, so that of course is the Super Bowl odds. If you wanted to change that to Offensive Rookie of the Year, simply just press on to win outright, get this drop down menu, then slide all the way down until it says Offensive Rookie of the Year and press on that. Then as you can tell, there's a whole bunch of different lines here for Offensive Rookie of the Year. You can go ahead and place a bet on whoever you want, place your wager, set your wager amount, and then place the bet. So it's a pretty straightforward process. That's how you guys can place an NFL Offensive Rookie of the Year futures bet here on Bet365. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.